500, there's 500 firecrackers.
String of firecrackers.
I wonder what it's going to do.
That was String of Fire again. Next up is a Black Cat product. It's RPG Rocket.
RPG Rocket.
4 assorted 26-inch rocks.
The gold?
How is it looking great? Oh,
I heard one thing. Rain cells on a rocket break.
There's going to be another RPG.
I mean, vertical, the way you want them to. They don't get spun. Like that's worth the stick falling. Yeah.
Same with the smiley faces.
Yes. Exactly one. I still wouldn't want to use a rocket, but.
Alright, and that was RPG Rocket. Next is going to be 10-ball mini pearl. Sort of 10-ball mini can.
10-ball mini pearl.
10-ball mini pearl.
These are those mini legends.
Thanks, Sonny. Working so well.
That was 10-ball mini pearl. This next one's going to be cat fight. It's approximately 75 seconds with bolting.
Cat fight.
What's happening to it? What did you do, fall over?
No, it's behind the plywood. It's a fountain. It's not a very aggressive cat for a fight.
This is cat fight.
Somewhere in Manila.
No, right here, down the border. Down the river.
I'll still take purple rain.
Yeah.
That was cat fight. Next up, we've got colored cuckoo whistle. Designed at fountain with whistle. Legend product.
Why are they showing us a generic?
right, next up we've got Deep Ocean, Vivid Color Fishing Tackle.
Beam Ocean. Demotion.
Look
Demotion.
how cute it is.
Demotion.
Deep ocean.
They're fuzzy.
Deep ocean.
Deep Ocean.
I really like the jelly beans.
This is Deep Ocean.
They'll come back a year later and ask for that again.
That was Deep Ocean. Next
Deep
up we got
Ocean.
Devil's Poison. Multi-effect with gold sparks, red and green pearls, blue stars, and crackling with spider flowers. Legend product.
What's that?
Can't see over the umbrellas.
I can.
No, I don't trust you, Dave.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, I have. No, I've just known you too long. I wouldn't get under an umbrella with you.
Devil's Poison.
Devil's Poison. Nice colors.
Yeah. It's a good little fountain. It's got a good label on it, you know. People
That's
like
half of
that.
it.
They like that skull-looking thing.
That's
you know?
half of it, yep.
I like a little bit of both, you know. I don't want to get totally into that whole skull thing where it's everything, but you know.
I noticed that Midnight Toker's labels changed.
Oh yes, of course, yeah, yeah. Well, when we first came out with it, yeah, it was a little.
Which
you know,
would
we
be
thought-
fine this year.
And we thought, well, maybe that might be a little bit too aggressive, you know.
Yeah. A lot of power and not a whole lot of stars.
Yeah.
That was Gamma.
Gamma.
Next up we've got Metallic. It's an assorted
Green,
four-pack.
huh?
Assorted effects.
Wizard.
Great retail item.
Is that a new item they have?
Been out for a couple of years.
Really?
It's a 12-inch cone.
Oh, I don't sell cones very well.
This one lasts, it goes up like 12 feet in the air.
Really?
Yeah. Big red tip and then just silver, but it's simple and quiet and beautiful.
This must be Metallica.
This is Metallica,
Yeah.
yep.
These are nice fountains. You can sell that whole 4-pack for like $14.99. Or you can break it open and sell them individually.
Of course. I think my favorite fountain that you have is that little ammo clip.
That was Metallic.
Yeah. Yeah,
It's so
I like
simple,
that too. Yeah.
inexpensive, and
Yeah.
we've mounted those on wheels and stuff, and they're beautiful. They're perfect.
Which one's this one?
Quiet Riot.
This is all quiet. No, this isn't quiet, is it?
Well, that's what it says in order, but
I don't know. That's
now it's quiet.
Yeah, but that was too noisy for it. It was supposed to be more. Shane, is that quiet? That was not supposed to have any noise in the beginning at all.
Sometimes I think there's an excessive crackle formula. Oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
good height.
Well, there's a lot of people that are asking for quiet fountains.
And it's pink. If you want quiet fountains, go to California.
Yeah. Well, you'd be surprised how many people want them here, though.
Well, I believe it.
We wouldn't have done it if they didn't.
Quiet. Next we've got
Okay,
six
he
guns.
called it quiet. It's
2
a
minutes
quiet.
of assorted colors and crackles. The legend product.
What does that say? 6 guns? Okay,
The
6
next
guns.
one's 6 guns.
Okay. Very lemony.
How many stands you got this year, Dave? Did you get your permits this year?
After last year.
Hey, is Scott Miller still selling? Scott? No, not Scott.
John.
John Miller. Is he still selling fireworks?
He did last year.
Or did he?
Yeah. You know, if more people elevated their fountains, they would appreciate them more.
Yeah.
Is it okay that I watch fireworks?
Yeah. Of course, why?
Alright. Because James is like, go grab a coffee pot and take it to the tent. Like,
Oh.
there's a coffee pot in the warehouse.
Oh,
You know what I mean? Like, what's the point?
yeah.
So, alright.
I've been buying fireworks from your company back when they had the roll-up stands up in Aurora, up in Linwood, and
Oh, you're kidding
it goes
me.
way back. Oh yeah.
Oh my God, with Mike. Mike was around there.
That's a name that sounds familiar up there, but
Remember he got in trouble for bombs?
no, I didn't. You mean but John?
No way.
No, didn't know about that. John I knew about.
This is Neon Lights.
Yes, Tropical Thunder I think this is, isn't it?
No, this is Neon Lights.
This is Neon Lights. Okay. Oh, very nice. Yeah.
This here will give TNT's delirium. Is that thing good? Does that thing hear noise?
Yeah, it's hearing it. That's okay. It's not going to go on the line. It's for Dave.
TNT shows a lot of this one is shaped like this.
Yeah. I also like the video in there of that Brooklyn Bridge. That was a nice one.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
It actually looks like a bridge with fireworks exploding over it.
Yeah, between now and the Energizer, we sell a lot of them. I think people like that Energizer because it lasts for 5 minutes. And it says it on it.
Yeah. That's a long time for a fountain.
But they like it.
If they want to buy it,
I'm
that's
telling
I
you.
love it. But
Yeah.
That was Neon Lights.
Yay! Woo, woo, woo!
Tropical Thunder.
Trop-
Lasts for over 2 minutes with high quality color.
what is low quality color?
I know, I had too much stuff. I kind of gave him a cheat sheet, you know?
Yeah.
And it had this here, I had too much stuff, and I just say, okay, I'm not, not writing all that down.
I like the big red flame. You know, that's aggressive without being loud. That's really not annoying.
Yeah? outside underneath a customer's umbrella.
Oh, really? Which customer?
It's the smallest umbrella.
Thunder.
Oh, yeah.
That concludes the rest of the fountain. It's not over yet, though.
Hey, Benny! Here, do you want to get under here?
Yes, I did. We just got here. We just got here from the volleyball tournament. We checked into the cafe, the Hotel Murano downtown.
Oh, you
Pretty
did?
high-end joint down there.
That's where Brooke and Chris
I was just
Did you
standing.
just meet him?
I just met him,
Yeah.
and I go. Randy goes, "This is Brooke and Chris," and I go, "They sell fireworks?" He goes, "Yeah." I go, "Where?" Long Beach. I go, "Okay, you can be my friend." And then I said, "Where's Dominic?" And they said, "Dominic's not here." And I go, "What?" Dominic fell.
Yeah.
I go, "Tell that fucker to learn how to walk." Where's Ted? Where's Ted?
I don't know. We're like having to recount here.
You know what? We finished volleyball. I hope your recorder's on.
It is.
It is.
It's been a great story so far.
We finished the volleyball, and I said, "Okay, girls, let's go get a room somewhere." And we started Googling and texting and smartphoning, and at cafe or the Hotel Murano. And I go, "Oh, okay, whatever. $200 a night or whatever. It's all good." And we checked in. Everybody showered because they were all volleyball funky. And I said, "Well, we should go down and make an appearance down there." But I said, "I've never seen a goddamn party in the rain like this shit." They're all starving. They're hungry. I called your girl in the office, and she says, I said, "Is there any food left?" She says, "I think they left." And I go, "Well, that's okay. We don't need food. We'll get food later."
No, there's still a bunch of food in there.
Tropical Thunder.
we're
And
good.
no, we did not like to just to make it last longer.
Who's doing the MCing? This is.
Who's ready to see some
I'm
multi
changing
shots?
everything up. I told Brandy, I said, what would
Right,
you do
first
if I
up, we
died
got
tomorrow?
200 grams, this one's 50 cal.
Do all these little things. I need to let
Assorted
go,
tails,
you know?
green,
That's
blue
that's
star,
why I started
crackling
buying
So-
from you exclusively,
Yeah.
so they could look historically at what I buy from you.
Yeah.
That's one of the reasons.
Yeah.
So they could say, "Okay, cool. This is how much we needed this."
Yeah. But it's just, you know, I get going too much. It turns into too much. Okay, what do we got here? Is this 50 cal, I think? Alright?
I don't
Yes,
know.
yes, that's correct.
You have 50 cal. You need a black cat.
And this is how many shots? Like 25
Okay,
or 30?
I'm gonna be 53 now, so I can't remember. I can remember some
You.
fireworks, but I
It
can't
says
remember.
tens.
Bloody hell.
What
Huh?
about
It says
you?
10.
I'm 63.
What
Okay.
about you?
This is a black cat product.
And I had an accident?
Yes.
Oh, it was just a mini. It was a mini episode. It's gone. It's
That was a
done.
knockout seller last year. You
I was
love
blue.
it.
Oh yeah. What's this one? What's this one called?
Bloody hell.
Bloody hell. Is this new?
Yep.
Yeah. That's
I'm gonna go
loud.
tell the
Okay.
kids. I'm gonna go tell the kids. Is there a shoot sheet somewhere? Where's the shoot sheet? They're all the way in the warehouse?
Yeah.
That was bloody hell. Next up, another 200 gram cake.
I like that one.
About 16.
I like that one.
Shot crackling lines with assorted.
You hear that was? You hear that was?
Yeah.
Yeah. Blowout.